What's up, dear viewers? Today I want to show you how to create blocks that you can change size like this. You can see these are different sizes of stud posts. Okay, this is the 12 by 12. You just need to click like this. You can use this, it's called the visibility in block editor, to create not only different sizes of posts, but also different sizes of columns. So let's get into this. I will start by drawing a column. Let me change the color here. Okay, I want to let me create a column let's say 8-inch, by 8-inch. Enter. This is one column. I will create another. I will use the fill tool, or let me just use a line like this. This is an 8 by 8 column. We want to create blocks that you can change, we can resize automatically. So I'll also do another size. Let's say 10 by 10 by 16. Just delete, enter. I want 10 by 16, 10 by 16, enter. Then I can move it there. Then I want to create another, let's say 2 by 6. Let me change the color. I use this one. I want 2, by 6, enter. Then I'll copy, and can move this one. Okay, then change the color to red. And copy from there. All right, so I'll just remove this one. Now we have 3 types of columns here, or just let's say post. I'll go to insert, then create blocks. Then I'll choose the insertion point as there. Select object. I will select all of this. All right. Name them stud. Okay. Then I'll go to insert again, block editor. I want to edit stud. Now I will insert visibility. There. Then visibility state. Okay, I want to rename. This one will be 2 inches by 6 inches. Okay, now I want to select objects that will be visible and those that will not be visible. So in 2 by 6, I'll change the visibility to that. Okay, again, I'll go and create a new name. This one was 8 by 8. Okay, now this time this one will not be visible, so I'll click that, and now this one and that will be visible. Okay, then I'll create new. This one was 16 by 10. Okay, now this one and that will be not visible, and then this will be, you click this, make visible. Okay, then close and save editor. Okay, now I have this in terms of block, so I can insert block, can insert stud. So I'll scroll down. It's the last one because it has been created last. This one. Now I can just change the visibility. If I change the visibility to that, you can see. And if I change the visibility to this, you can see, and back to that. So that's how you can do this. So guys, thanks. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Like, share, subscribe.